I think what makes CXG Invest different is that we now have access, and I'm talking about a mobile phone number, of one of the biggest investor developers in the UK, a company called Fortis. When I started, my dream scenario would have been that I could phone up a developer direct, speak to the owner and negotiate a discount directly with him. That is a service that we can now offer our clients. It basically means we have an unlimited supply of properties so that whatever their requirements are, we should be able to meet them. And it's going to help, hopefully, myself realise the vision that I've had for CXG Invest, which is that we become the prime property sourcer in the UK, and that any discounts we offer are genuine, guaranteed rental returns are genuine, and that we also offer a full management service, so that we have created an armchair product for our investors, and we've got their interests at our heart. And one of the reasons we have that is because we started as investors ourselves, and it's always been my dream to really tick all the boxes that I wanted when I started and I was walking around the shows and really seeing that there wasn't a company out there who really did have the investors' interests at the heart of what they did.